Good afternoon to everyone on the other side of the screen. Finally, after more than 11 years in YouTube, and because of our friends and customers has been pushing us, we decided to appear on front of the camera. It's not easy for us, but we will try to show you what is GSP Motorsport, showing our passion for our work and the details of our repairs and the restorations that usually you don't see. For the ones who don't know us, GSP Motorsport is a workshop with an extensive experience in building, restoring, and repairing sports, classic, and motorsport cars, with the main goal of getting a smile from our customers when they drive again their loved cars. This is our philosophy and the target in all the projects. For this new video format, we have selected this car. And you could think, what is special on this car? It is just a Toyota Celica, but it's not just a standard Celica, it's a T-sport edition. And what are the differences between this and a standard Celica? Well, to start, this is the 7th and the last generation produced of the famous Toyota Celica, where Toyota selected the small engine called 1ZZ with 143 PS, and together with Yamaha, they developed a new engine head reaching an output power of 192 PS. This new engine head included a variable valve lift system, similar to the Honda VTEC system, and as well the variable valve timing system from the base 1ZZ engine. Thanks to this, the general performance of the Celica was clearly improved. This unit, as you will see in more detail, suffered from the tuning times being later abandoned. The T-sport spec production was somehow limited, and nowadays it's quite rare to see them in the streets or circuits. For those reasons, we want to give a second opportunity, repairing and restoring it, and giving you the opportunity to see all the process. As you can see, the front headlamps are not originals, with a dark background without CE homologation, most probably from China market. The front bumper had the original grills removed and replaced by these tuning ones, and also the Toyota logo was removed. On the front left side, we can see the damage on the fender and bumper with some superficial corrosion. The wheels are a Japan Racing on 17 inches. On the back, we can see that the refill cover is not in place. The rear headlights were painted. A retro Remus exhaust was installed, and as well some scratches on the rear side panel. The interior is in a good shape in general, but of course needs to be properly cleaned. The cluster needs to be repaired as the background lights were exchanged with some blue bulbs. We will change it to the original spec in orange color. As you could see until here, the car, of course, needs some body and paint work, together with a detuning process. Regarding the engine, let me open. Oops, it's not here. No worries, the engine was recently removed and is currently in our engine room, where we started the reconstruction process of it. In the next episodes, we will see it from inside, with all the details of the restoration and the installation back to the car. Until here, our first and new video in front of the camera, that we hope that you like and enjoy it. If so, feel free to subscribe, give a like, and share it in the comments, as it will support us to create more videos and you will be updated when the new videos are posted. We will appreciate any suggestions or feedback to help us to improve, as we are clearly rookies in YouTube. Thank you again and see you soon!